Demonstrators gathered outside the United States Supreme Court today as justices heard arguments in a case that will impact millions of Americans. Lawyers are arguing over the legality of President Joe Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. ABC's Justin Finch is in Washington with more on what was said in court today.
Education!
Cheers supporting President Biden's federal student loan forgiveness plan at the Supreme Court, where that policy faces its most crucial test yet.
For the folks that look at us and say we're in this problem because we live beyond our means, it's not because we live beyond our means, it's because we've been denied the means to live.
The High Court hearing oral arguments from attorneys in two separate cases. 2 borrowers and 6 Republican-led states filing suits challenging the president's power to clear more than $400 billion in federal student debt. Biden's attorneys arguing he can, citing the HEROES Act, saying it affords the president the authority to waive or modify federal student loan payments following emergencies like the pandemic. Chief Justice John Roberts raising questions.
Most casual observers would say if you're going to give up that much amount of money, if you're going to affect the obligations of that many Americans on a subject that's of great controversy, they would think that's something for Congress to act on.
Student debt cancellation was also a platform promise when Biden was campaigning for the presidency. His program would cancel as much as $20,000 in federal student loan debt for qualifying individuals.
It shouldn't be done. We're counting on the Supreme Court to rule the right way.
Listen to the needs of millions of struggling people. People who want a middle-class life but are buried in debt. Do the right thing.
And a decision from the High Court is due out sometime this summer, with federal student loan repayment set to restart either 60 days after June 30th or 60 days after the court decides this case. In Washington, Justin Finch, Channel 6 Action News.